Okay, so let's do an example where we need to find an area of a park. Let's say a park area. And so let's say the city park is designed by using a right triangle. So here's a right triangle. And with a parallelogram and a trapezoid. And with walkways in between them. Okay? So and all of the numbers here are in feet. And so we want to calculate the total area of the city park. Okay? Given that information. So now what we can do is we're going to use the formulas to find the area of each piece, keeping in mind that of what type of shape they are. So since this is a right triangle, we know that this is the area here of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. And so in this case, since it's a right triangle, we know the height is 72 and the base is 45. And so it's going to be 1/2 times 72 times 45. Okay. And then the area of the parallelogram is just base times height. Now in this case here, the height, it's kind of flipped this way. So if you flip it mentally, do those mental gymnastics, flip it 90 degrees, the height is 45. So it's going to be base times height, which is going to be what? The base is 72 because remember, these are equal, right? So these are the bases, so you just need one base. So the base is 72 times the height, which is 45. Okay. And then the trapezoid is equal to the average of the bases times the height. So it's 1/2 times the sum of the bases, B1 plus B2, times the height. And so in this case here, it's going to be the half of the bases, which is 107. So half of 107 times the height, which is 45. Again, just got to mentally rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. And so now all you have to do is stick this in your calculator. Okay. So what do you get for the first one? Again, make sure you know how to do it. So the first one we get 1,600 square feet. What do we get for the second one? 3,200 square feet, right? Same thing, it's just double, so it's double this one. So this will be 3,200 square feet. And the last one, what do we get? 2,400 square feet. And so, if you add those three up, what do you get? 7,200 square feet. And that's the answer. That's the total area of the city park. And that's how you do it. So, okay, so stay tuned. We're going to do another example.